Now we have another type of energy, potential energy. And the magic word here is potential. When something has a potential to do things, that means it has the ability. Potential energy is the ability to do something or the ability to have energy. It is a stored energy. Okay? And how it stores the energy is based on location. Okay? And the location is some distance or height above the earth. So when you have something at an elevation, as the height goes up, potential energy goes up. So potential energy is the greatest at 3 and the least at 1 because it is a greater height at 3 than it is at 1. So potential energy, we know it is also called gravitational rewind. Gravitational potential energy. So that means it has to do also with something with gravity. And the formula for potential energy is mass times gravity times height, mgh, where m is mass, g is gravity, and h is height. So let's look at a rock sitting on the edge of a cliff. And the cliff is 20 meters tall. And our rock has a mass of 2 kilos. What is the stored energy or the potential energy of that rock? Potential energy is equal to mass times gravity times height. So that is 2 times 10 times 20, which is 2 times 10 is 20 times 20. So that gives us 400 joules of potential energy. So it has 400 joules of energy stored in it. Well, let's look at a roller coaster. A roller coaster goes up and then comes down. So as we're in our little buggy, our car, going up the hill, potential energy goes up. And it reaches the maximum point at the top of the hill. Can't add no more. So this is our max. And then as we go down the hill, our potential energy decreases. And at the very bottom of the hill, our potential energy is at the minimum, or the lowest part. It can be, if it's sitting on the ground, 0. Okay? That is only if it's sitting on the ground. So, let's say we know our buggy has a potential energy at the top of the hill of 2,000 joules. And let's say our cart has a mass of 200 kilos. And we want to know how tall is our hill. So we know PE equals mgh. So we've got 2,000 equals 200 times 10 times h. So this is 2,000 equals 2,000 h. So our hill is 2,000 divided by 2,000. Our hill is only 1 meter tall. So let's look at another one. Let's say we have an edge of a building or cliff, and we have a rock on it. And let's say this is 40 meters tall. Okay. And we know our potential energy is 30,000 joules. What is the mass of the rock? Well, we know potential energy equals mass times gravity times height. So we have 30,000 equals mass is what we're hunting, gravity is 10, height is 40. So 30,000 equals 400 times our mass. So our mass is equal to 30,000 divided by 400, which is 75 kilograms. So the mass of the rock is 75 kilos. And if it is setting 40 meters above the earth, it has a potential energy of 30,000 joules. So we know another unit, a way of looking at our joules. We know joules is related to kinetic energy and potential energy. So joules can be 1/2 mv squared, or it can be mgh. So until next time, think about that. What do you think I might be doing next with them? Talk to y'all later.